Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Be for real, I am Brit. So I am so happy to be back. It has been such a long time. Life was lifing for me last year, so I just needed to take a break and get some things together in my own life. So I'm just so happy to be back. Happy New Year to everybody. Happy Veganuary to my people who are newly diving into a vegan diet. Happy Veganuary. So for my new people who are just seeing me for the first time in real time, welcome, welcome, welcome. Thank you guys for all the love, all the support. Thank you for watching my videos. Thank you for subscribing. I am glad you are here, glad you are joining the fam. Okay, so this channel is for everybody: flexitarian, pescatarian, vegan, meat eater, whatever, whoever. We do not judge over here. We are here to show you the way, in a way where you can transition comfortably into eating a vegan diet. Okay? All right. So today we actually have a gluten-free, soy-free, and mock meat-free vegan meal prep for you guys. So if you are new to a vegan diet, that just means there are no fake meats, no faux meats. Everything is 100% plant-based for you guys today. So I'm very happy to bring you guys these options. They are customizable, okay? So you can switch out the sides or switch out the toppings to your liking to make it your own, okay? Because it's your world, okay? Y'all know I don't like to do too much rambling. We are going to go ahead and hop right into the video. Okay, so boom, we are going to get started with our chickpea fritters. We are going to start off by making a flax egg. And I know what y'all thinking. What is a flax egg? So this entire video is going to be catering to our new vegans. So our flax egg is going to act as our binder. It's going to act like a real egg. We're just using 2 tablespoons of ground flax with 4 tablespoons of water. You can find ground flax in any well-stocked market. As y'all can see, I got mine from Walmart. So no excuses, okay? No excuses. We're going to make a little paste with that. We're going to set it to the side. Now I have 1 can of chickpeas here that I drained and thoroughly rinsed. Okay? We're going to put that right up in our bowl. Get our potato masher, and we going to get up in there. And it should look a little bit like this. You got to put your elbow in it a little bit. I'm not going to lie. But this how it should look when it's all said and done. Okay, so from here, we're going to be adding in a 1/4 cup of some flour. I used some whole grain flour. That's just what I had on hand. Then we're going to toss in our flax egg. Now, I know what y'all thinking. No. But I'm going to just tell y'all, walk with me, okay? Just trust me. So this is the fun part. We're just going to add in whatever. You could do whatever you want in your fritter. You want to know why? Because it's your fritter, okay? So I just added in some roasted red pepper. I got some cumin in there. I got some vegetable seasoning that I found randomly at the store. We got some onion and garlic powder. You already know what's up with that. Can't make nothing without the onion and the garlic powder. So we're going to go ahead and give this a nice stir. It's going to give you the consistency like you're making a burger. You know, for my meat eaters, we got to get familiar on y'all so y'all know what's going on here. So it's going to look like this, just like you're making a burger, okay? Get everything nice and incorporated, and look at that, okay? We got our little fritters on medium-high heat, and for real, if you want to get a little, you know, switch it up, you can make this into a sandwich, because who going to judge you? Who going to tell you can't make this into a sandwich? I'm not going to say nothing. So I cooked these on medium-high heat for about 5 to 7 minutes on each side until they got to my desired doneness. I like mine a little crisp, okay? And look at that. We are already done. I got my meal prep container here. And to be honest, I love to use quinoa because it's rich in fiber and protein. It's just an overall good, healthy grain. Now, listen. Do not hop in these comments talking about y'all eat quinoa. Step 1 is going to be to grow your taste buds up, okay? And then immediately after that, just use something else. Jasmine rice, white rice, brown rice, wild rice, whichever rice you prefer, okay? But for me and my house, we going to eat this good quinoa, and we going to make a big pot of it so y'all know it's real. All right, meal prep 1 is complete. We're going to head over and make some curried jackfruit. So for my new people, this is a fruit that is very, very versatile, okay? You want to get it in brine, not in syrup, or it's going to be sweet and you're going to be mad, okay? So we are going to curry this, okay? Because why not? So I just have some cilantro here, and I'm chopping up the cilantro stems. We're just going to use the stems only for this first part. And if you make your curry a certain way, just make it that way and add the jackfruit, okay? I don't want to argue about what go first. or what don't go first. This is how I make my curry. You can either get with it or you can do it how you want to do it. You want to know why? Because it's your curry. Alright, so we are going to go ahead and let that snap, crackle, and pop in the pan for about a minute on medium-high heat. I'm just adding whatever peppers I have in the house, okay? Because I had a couple of peppers that was about to go bad. And, you know, I'm just tired of wasting money. So I just went ahead and added the peppers that I had in the pan. And then we're going to go ahead and add our jackfruit. So, of course, I drain and thoroughly rinse my jackfruit. So here you're just going to see me pinching it slightly into the pan. It's going to break down as you mix and stir it in and as it cooks down. But I do just want some chunks, if that makes sense. I don't want it to be like completely shredded. So you could do this however you want. If you want to shred it, you know what? You go right ahead. But me, over here, we're going to pinch this, okay? Just a little pinch. And we're going to go ahead and put that right in the pan. Alright, so here you just see me seasoning this up. We have some curry powder, some paprika. You already know we got ahead of onion and the garlic because why not? I don't know if I caught this on the camera, but I did add some pimento seeds, which is just allspice. But I did add some thyme in here as well. Y'all, the ingredients will be in the description box below, okay? Now, don't do what I did. This is a mistake. But I'm going to show y'all anyway because it still came out good. But add coconut milk. Don't do coconut cream. I was so hyped. I didn't put it in the camera. I don't even know how I did this because I use this all the time. And I make this all the time. But I must have been tired or something. I don't know. But it'll still turn out good. It'll just have a very slight sweetness to it. Very slight. So the point is I ran so y'all could walk. Okay, go get the coconut milk. So I did put in a little lot of cayenne pepper, but that's just because I like a good kick. Add this at your own discretion, okay? Don't come back here saying it was spicy. I don't want to hear it. So I did add in a half of a lime as well. That's just how I like my curry. So I went ahead and brought this up to a boil, and then we're going to take this down to low, and we're going to let that simmer for about a good 10 minutes until everything marries together. And then, of course, you want to taste it in just the seasonings as needed. But look at that, y'all. You see it just bubbling. Okay, it's going to be right. It's going to get right. So lastly, we are just going to go ahead and throw in our cilantro. That was the leaves that we had from earlier. I just went ahead and chopped them up and threw them in there. And look at that, y'all. Y'all can't tell me that that don't look good. Y'all can't tell me that once y'all throw that over whatever rice you prefer, that ain't going to be some curry. Okay? So we are just going to go ahead and spoon this right into our meal prep container. You can add whatever you like on the side. I chose to add some additional lime because it's just, that's how I get down. Okay? And there we have it. Meal prep 2 is done. You can go ahead and toss that to the side. And y'all, we are going to get to our mason jar salad. This is literally the easiest thing you could ever do. Okay? If you like a good salad, I personally feel like one big salad a day keeps the doctor away. Okay, so I just have some balsamic vinaigrette at the bottom. You always want to put your hard, crunchy vegetables in first because anything else will soak up that dressing and make your salad soggy and unappetizing. Okay, so we got the carrots, the red onion, the cucumber. We got some tomatoes. We got some pepperocini peppers. We got some roasted peppers. I threw in some arugula because that's how I was feeling. But you literally can put whatever you want in here. Okay? Like when I say it's y'all world, I be meaning it, but I really mean it. And look at that. Very easy. Very quick. No excuses. Okay? Okay? And we done. Look at the y'all. Alright, y'all. So I'm not going to lie. I was supposed to be saving this, you know, for during the day. But the jackfruit curry was calling my name. It's so good. Even with me adding the coconut cream, it's still bomb. For my people who don't like quinoa, why not? Because quinoa ain't never did me wrong. Quinoa ain't do nothing to me. Neither here nor there. Try these recipes, y'all. I'm telling you, top tier. They all bang. Customize it the way you want to. Make it your own so that way you can enjoy it and you don't feel like it's a chore. Especially for my new vegans because I don't want to hear y'all giving up. Okay? Make it your own. Okay? Season it how the ancestors taught you. Okay? Alright. Once again, I just want to thank you guys as always for watching. I appreciate all of the love and support, and I will see you guys in my next video.